देने के लिए तो मालेगांव धमाका 2008 में आज एक तरह से आरोप तय कर दिए गए हैं और अब 2 नवंबर से ट्रायल शुरू होगा। इस वक्त एक और बड़ी खबर सीधे दिल्ली का रुख करेंगे, जहां पर वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी और इटली के वजीर आजम मौजूद हैं, मुश्तरका प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहे हैं।
Presently, over 30 joint R&D projects are being implemented in the areas covering information and communication technology, energy, environmental and sustainable agriculture, health, biotechnology and medicine, cognitive neuroscience, microelectromechanical systems, and technologies applied for protection of the cultural and natural heritage, connecting best groups on competitive basis from Italy and India. The thematic area of cultural heritage discussed in the Tech Summit inspired interesting new perspectives of cooperation in the field of preservation and stability against natural disaster of heritage monuments, such as those in the Himalayan region. By involving researchers from industry, research institutions, and universities, we propose to launch a dedicated program to address this important aspect. To respond to societal challenges of both countries, we jointly propose to launch a new phase of India-Italy Industrial Research and Development Cooperation Program. This will further facilitate projects in the field of industrial applications of research in sectors of common interest identified in the Tech Summit. These areas identified in the summit yesterday are advanced manufacturing and materials, aerospace, clean technology, renewables, water, environment, Internet of Things related to smart mobility.
तो दिल्ली में इंडिया इटली टेक्नोलॉजी समिट चल रही है, जिसमें खुद वजीर आजम नरेंद्र मोदी और इटली के वजीर आजम भी मौजूद हैं। छोटा सा ब्रेक लेंगे, ब्रेक के बाद इसी समिट में हम आपको ले चलेंगे।